That's a little confusion there. Babies are so innocent. Like, okay. Baby is in there. Okay. That one.
Oh, I see it. Okay, right?
No, it's on.
No, exercise, come on. This is me. Everybody's getting it there. Touch. Watch how you do it. Okay. And you do not try to keep her up. Okay. Watch out, you're gonna hit her with your feet. Oh no, don't get that one. No, that's Look it to the left.
Just wanted to make the customer happy, but also let her know something is incorrect there as far as the hot and the cold side. And it's not that they crossed it on the faucet, they crossed it inside the wall. So we do have a lot of geniuses inside of our trade. I'm being sarcastic, but it happens every single day. All right, what we doing? Oh, invoice.